Hey.
Did that bang come from you?
Huh?
Did that loud bang come from you?
It did.
Huh?
It did. I broke a light bulb.
Okay.
Look, seatbelts are in over there. The front ones.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this one's going in.
Okay.
Yeah.
I assured myself you weren't under anything.
Yeah.
I shall go back and check on them.
Nice of you to come check.
Yeah. Okay, Charlie, no, we're going to go in. Come on. We gotta go get water. Gosh, it's up over 80, you know.
Huh?
It's up over 80.
80.
It's over 80.
Good day for the top-down ride.
Yeah, my car said it was 84.
Wow. Great.